Hey guys, and welcome back at Steve's Old School Garage. As I mentioned in my last video, I started mounting the vinyl roof with a big help of my good friend Dietmar. We almost did the biggest sections. The only two parts who are left are the front section and the rear section. Also, the sketchy corners and edges turned out pretty well, I think. The next step is to get in the sunroof, so we have to cut it out and get it in. I also started mounting the first trim piece of the vinyl roof. This turned out pretty sketchy because of the tight fitment, but I think it's okay. I also did yesterday the first door panel of the passenger side, which looks really nice. It has no dents and scratches. It looks almost like new. After that, I did the dash panel and some little work in the interior. The next step is to get in the flooring and get the whole interior done. So guys, if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and leave some comments in the box below. And as always, get out in your shop and get your work done.